Take. Good. Now, what is the base here? The base is a triangle, right?
Yes.
So, how do we find area of triangle? Area of triangle. So, we have 1 over 2 multiplied. What is the base? The base is this one, right? So, 4 multiplied. What is the height? 7. Very good. What can simplify? 2 will change to 1, 4 will change to 2. What is 2 times 4?
14.
Very good. 14. What's the unit?
M.
Square. More. Now, how do we find the volume? Volume is area multiplied by the length. How much is the area? So we have 14 cm square multiplied by 12. What is 14 times 12? 168. What is the unit?
cm.
The end. Next question. A of triangle is 1 over 2 multiply. Melissa, what's the base? 2. So we have 2 multiplied by the height. The height is 1.5. What can simplify? 2 and 2 can simplify, which would leave us with 1.5 millimeters square. That is the area of the triangle. Now the volume would be A multiplied by L, which is 1.5 millimeters square multiplied by 3.8 millimeter. And 3.8 multiplied by 1.5, 5.7. 5.7 millimeter cube.
That is the same.
57 and 5.7 not the same. Okay guys, question, Pam. How do we find the area of the triangle? Area of triangle. So what do we have? 1 over 2 multiplied. How much is the base? 6. Multiplied. How much is the height? 10. Very good. What can simplify? Okay, 2 will change to 1. 6 will change to 3. What is 3 times 10? 30. What's the unit? 30. cm what? cm square. Very good. Now, how do we find the volume? How do we find the volume? It is A multiplied by L. The area is 30, right? So we have 30 cm square multiplied. The length is this, right? Multiplied by 9, which is 270 centimeter cube. The end.